If you want to stop snoring, just think this point as a starting point and this point as a end point for the breathe in and for the breathe out. Just think and breathe in without making any noise. I'm thinking and taking breath in. And the same way, just think about your breathe out should reach this point. Do it daily one time only. Then you will feel about your snoring it has been stopped like. So this is the best way to control your snoring.